You ready to tell the people? Rosie, where are you going?
Come here.
Lie down.
Stay right here. Just be cute, okay? That's your only job.
Are you ready to tell the people the biggest news ever?
Let's do it.
I quit my job.
You did?
You know. So, breaking news. I no longer work for Airstream of Greensboro or Blue Compass. That happened about a week ago or so. We're starting a new venture, which you need to stay tuned because we'll tell you a little bit about it, but not everything right now. The first thing I want to say is, although I'm no longer an Airstream salesperson or with Blue Compass, I am beyond thankful for the opportunity that I had at Blue Compass because it was that move 3 years ago that brought us, almost 4 years, that brought us to Airstream and gave us an opportunity to meet the brand Airstream and to meet the Airstream Club, and then now have so many friends within the community that we wouldn't otherwise have if it wasn't for Airstream. And therefore, if it wasn't for Blue Compass and Airstream in Greensboro, we wouldn't own an Airstream, and we wouldn't have the friends that we have and the opportunities that we have. So I just want to say, although we're not at that store anymore, I'm not an Airstream salesperson, I am thankful for Blue Compass, and I'm thankful for the opportunities that they gave me and to meet so many of you and to be the number one Airstream salesperson.
Had to slide that in.
Number one Airstream salesperson quits his job.
Going out on top. I mean, I'll just reiterate what Chad said. We are so thankful for the Airstream community and the friends we've made. When we bought an Airstream, I remember we had been to the Tanglewood Rally with the Carolinas Airstream Club.
Not an Airstream.
Before we owned an Airstream, yeah. Chad's store sponsored a dinner, and I got voluntold to do cupcakes, so I was there. And there's a few people I remember meeting or seeing that night that we are still good friends with, and I'm like so thankful to be able to call them friends today, that I just watched this group of people, and I said, I want that. I want to be in the club, I think is what I told you.
It is what you said. I want to be in the club.
When we left. And so for us 3.5, almost 4 years after that first rally experience, to have those friends and be friends with some of those people we met that night, neither of us expected it.
If you asked me 4 years ago, would we be in this point in our lives, I would have thought you were crazy. Especially to own an Airstream, to be an Airstream salesperson, to be number one Airstream salesperson, to have the friends that we have, like, I would have never thought that. So I feel like, I just feel really lucky that we've gotten to do this and be a part of this.
And not just friends that we see at rallies that we're like, oh, cool, you're going to be there. Let's hang out a little bit. Friends that when they're in town, we do dinner with them. Friends that we call to share big news with. Like, it's crazy. The people we never would have met is just incredible had we not known an Airstream.
So, what's next for Chad?
Drum roll.
So, over the last 3 years, I have consistently noticed a space in the RV industry, and specifically the Airstream industry, that needs help. So we'll say an opportunity.
An opportunity, yes.
An opportunity, and that is in the service world. When I go to rallies, the Carolinas Airstream Club, which we're members of and we're massive fans of, I do seminars with the club regularly, almost every year, or every year for the last 3 years at Ocean Lakes. I've done a seminar, and one of them was the state of service in the RV industry from an insider. And, the hard thing about that was to basically say, like, hey, I know service is struggling and no one in here is probably happy with service. And so a year ago or so, I started thinking, like, okay, well, is there an opportunity that we're not taking advantage of with Airstream and with RVs in general, but specifically Airstream, because we love the brand, we love Airstream, and that's a service. It's in service. And so we've decided, whether smart or not, whether we have made the best decision ever or the worst decision ever, that for me to leave Airstream in the sales world and start an independent shop for service, upgrades, battery, lithium battery installs, solar, inverters, mobile internet, clear glass windows, lift kits, like all of the things that we all want to do with our Airstreams, but there's no one in the Carolinas, in that kind of Virginia, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina area that's really doing this or doing a good job doing it. And so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start a service center, an independent shop, to focus on Airstream and make all of that the best experience possible with us. So here's what you need to do. You need to click the subscribe button. You need to click the bell icon so you get notifications, because I'm going to take you guys along in this journey as much as I possibly can through social media and through YouTube, and kind of let you know what's going on. So let me say this. If you are interested in service, like your upgrades, lithium, solar panels, inverters, clear glass windows, all of the things that we all know about Airstream, there's a link down in the description that you can fill out that just basically says, hey, I'm interested in having you guys do something with your service center. And then I'm also looking for really good techs. So if you are an RV tech, you're an Airstream tech, and you take pride in what you do, there's also going to be a link down there for you to fill out a form that basically just says, hey, I'm a tech and I'm interested in joining the best RV Airstream service center the Carolinas has ever seen. Yeah. Do you have anything else you want to say?
We are really excited to see where this adventure takes us.
I am very excited, and I'm nervous. I'm all of the emotions.
All of them.
All of them at one time.
I can attest for that.
All right, guys. It's time to ramble. Click the subscribe button. Thanks.